New home construction needs a seasonal pest prevention routine to stop shifting pest behavior as the year changes. Start by inspecting and sealing in fall to block entry points where pests seek warmth. Focus on gaps around utility lines, foundation cracks, door bottoms, and window frames, and use a high-quality exterior-grade sealant and mesh where needed. In spring, remove landscape debris and keep mulch at least 6 inches away from foundation to reduce harborage for insects and rodents. Adjust baiting and monitoring seasonally by increasing inspections in warm months and reducing but maintaining stations during colder months so you do not miss overwintering pests. Maintain gutters and downspouts before rainy seasons by clearing leaves, confirming downspouts direct water away from the foundation, and repairing any sagging sections that pool water. Schedule professional seasonal treatments to target life stages like nymphs and larvae that are present during specific months and to get treatments timed with local pest cycles. The most common mistake is sealing only obvious gaps and missing small penetrations around plumbing and vents, which lets pests in despite some work, so use a systematic checklist and flashlight to find hidden points. Another issue is leaving landscape debris and excess mulch against foundation, which attracts pests until temperatures rise, so remove debris in spring and keep organic material trimmed back year-round. A third problem is treating every season the same, which wastes effort and misses critical life stages, so adjust baiting, monitoring and chemical timing to the pest biology in your area, and ask a professional for a calendar-based plan. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find seasonal work related to pest prevention and new construction. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share timing tips, product experiences, and local pest behavior observations.